Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Union County, Illinois, northwestern Alexander County, Illinois, east central Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cape Girardeau, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported power flashes north of Jackson. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Jackson, and Mill Creek. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 100 and 102. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Union, and Cape Girardeau, Missouri. The National Weather Service